Thursday night in Austin. We just ate at Barton Springs Picnic, which is a bunch of food trucks all surrounding a cover with picnic tables in it. It's pretty cool. I had Venezuelan food. It's excellent. Black bean, fried yucca. Well, I didn't take a picture of it though. Maybe next time. And now we're at Shady, so we walk down the street and they have a free outdoor concert and tables, and see how it goes. Time for some live music in the live music capital, Texas.
Appreciate y'all coming out here. Thank you so much. Too soon. People acted out from their fears, but all I see was you. I remember the first night across the sun, trading ships without moon. There was a lot to take in for some eyes from East Texas, and all I could see was you.
Shane Smith and the Saints, they're on tour right now. That's the rig. And yeah, really digging it. At the end, they dropped into this drum bass beat, and I was like, yo, we got some metal country hybrid going. Not quite that hard to. So he lays the ice cream out in a liquid, puts it on that cold disc, flips it all around until it freezes, gets a spatula, rolls it out, stacks it beautifully in a cup. Thank you. What? Cheers. Is it good? Cheers.
Holy rollers.
It is good.
All got time.
Howdy.
How you doing?
That made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna know.
Number one, you can always tell a genius by how they dress.
Like butter in the plate. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music. You went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules. Our side signs don't match. Immigration issues, trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. We'll hate to see you go. This time we just go slow. We'll truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart.
That is a lot of
In
batteries.
no time, we gon' be right back.
Oh, dude, well, it's Saturday, April 14th. We made it through the 13th. Drone is flying beautifully. I got down to McAllen about 6 o'clock this morning in time for sunrise, and it was solid clouds. Then the wind started blowing 20 miles an hour. Finally, I went to the Benson State Park tonight, got a few shots at sunset, and now we're sitting at Walmart in their parking lot. Y'all know what that means? Here's your plug. This little bad boy shooting 6K raw footage. I got 250 gigs to transfer. It's a raw file, so each frame is a picture, and there's 23.97 frames per second. So that means a 10-second clip has 240 giant raw pictures in it. I don't know if that means anything to you. I'm very happy with the van. I got like 14 batteries plugged in right now. They're charging beautifully, and you know, I'm just chilling out in here, getting more and more cozy.